Welcome to the wonderful world of marketing, and this is the last episode of our Windows App Portals for Marketing in a Windows 10 context. I'm going to really summarize the benefits, talk a little bit about where to find out more information about Windows App Portals, and give you some contact information and invite you to spend more time with me if you've got questions. First thing is that Windows App Portals are built out of Windows 10. So you're looking at OS level interoperability. It's a very, very stable way of nesting tasks and applications together, and you're basically using the underlying OS to make that all work. The second thing is that you can manage it through your corporate app store, and what's really cool about that is that you're able to update and control it over time. But more importantly, they're all hosted on the back end in Azure. And what's really great about that is you can actually do a lot of the updates on the fly in Azure. A lot of what I showed you in Windows App Portal for Marketing are actually all updates done in Azure. We can change the tiles, we can change the data, we can change the links. All that stuff can just be done on the fly. The fourth thing is it's all controlled with Active Directory. And so you can actually customize the tiles themselves and the data that people are seeing based on their Active Directory setting. And that setting may be role-based, it may be individually based, or it may be department-based. But you can actually control it very, very precisely with Active Directory, so you can deliver everyone's actual job to them in the form that is most appropriate for that job. The fifth thing is Office 365 creates interoperability across multiple devices. And you can actually host a Windows App Portal in Office 365 and flow it through to those devices. So one objection we sometimes get is, hey, I love Windows 10, I love Windows App Portals, but not everyone in my organization is only on a Windows machine. We have other devices, we have Android devices, we have iOS devices. How do I get them a great experience as well? Well, with Office 365, you can actually host applications through Office. They're all Azure hosted, and you can deliver most of the experience through an iOS or Android device using Office 365, which for me really makes this a killer idea because everyone in your organization can now have a more manageable LOB lifestyle and a more task-based interface in terms of what they're all trying to do every day. If you're interested in learning more about Windows App Portals, you can just go to our enterprise site. On that page is everything you ever need to know about Windows App Portals, including a 200-page book on how to build one yourself. We obviously have many partners that can build them. Microsoft Consulting Services have got a whole practice around it, but we have many customers who've just leaned out and built their own app portal on their own, and all the instructions and the code and everything you need to know is all right there on the site. I also mentioned a moment ago that it's part of Windows 10. So if you own Windows 10, you can build a Windows App Portal. There's no extra licensing required. It's free. It's there. It's part of what Windows 10 can do. I would encourage you just to go and do it. So as we move to an experience-centric universe, we're making a Copernican shift as an industry to applications that focus on what we want to do, that make our lives simpler, that are touch-based, that are fluid to use, and that create a more exciting, innovative, and mobile experience for all the users in the company. And Windows App Portals are a big part of that. I'd encourage you to try it, learn more, send me questions or requests, and that's it for the wonderful world of marketing today. But who knows what's going to happen tomorrow?